Hey, Akuroko.
Morning,
Morning,
sir.
say.
I still right.
I did it. All right. Thank you. Muriona kuti kungopinda nekutongotambirwa nemaplates. Vamusingasinditi umba kwenyu. So right.
So,
Panapa zvakamira sei nhasi pamenyu yedu?
okay, here we have beans,
Okay.
baked beans, and potatoes,
All right.
and we also have here chicken stir fry.
Chicken stir fry.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember last time I take these ones.
Yeah, chicken stir fry.
Yeah,
And then
delicious,
also we have sausage with barbecue sauce.
All right.
And then here we have bacon.
Bacon.
Yes.
One of my favorites. Especially the one done by him. Always delicious.
This is bacon.
Yeah.
So for today, unfortunately, we didn't do the mixed veggies.
Okay.
And the beef liver.
All right.
And then we have in substitute of this one,
Okay.
of mixed veg, we have managed to do the tomato and the onion.
All right.
Just fried.
So guys, musarwadziwa ndi chaunokwanisa kungoita iwe uya paDzimbabwe handiti paDzimbabwe yesilozhe in Victoria Falls. I think every time ndouya muno Victoria Falls, this is not my first time, and ndinotonge ndiri panapa nekuda kwemaservices nechikafu chachona ipapapa mukanwa mavo makazara mate atonzwa todai ndatanga kudya.
This chicken stir fry.
Chicken stir fry, yeah. Okay.
Should I add?
No, it's okay.
It's fine. Okay.
All right.
Beef sausage.
Yes.
With barbecue sauce.
Right.
And then bacon. Some bacon.
Thank you. All right. All right. And kwete zvekuzadza chingwa unonzwa munhu achinzi apedza half bread yechingwa ari one.
Right. This is the veggies. Okay. There we go.
All right. What we have here, combination yacho, I think you can see yakamira sei ndopaekuti ukaswera wadya izvi unatonzwa kuti masikati usingachade kudya. Alright, so panapa tine chingwa, pane chiu.
We have also the fruits and the yogurt and the muffin, and then this is the bread, and then you take your bread and put it within the toast.
Alright,
yeah, you grab your bread here.
My bread.
Alright. I don't know. Brown. Brown. Okay.
We have closed out our own toaster. Sena kwa zvakaita nedzedu dzekukumba. And you can see. Alright.
Your eggs.
Pana bandanda order nemazai. And what mazai acho noda anobikwa sei? Mana. Amen. Like unongoyawo paDzimbabwe. Zimbabwe guest lodge. And all you need to do if you want to all you need to do is
so you collect your toast from this side. Yes.
Right. So in the main menu,
Yeah, this is
breakfast.
the full English breakfast.
Full English breakfast.
Yeah.
So so this one here is the full English breakfast. Of course, the names I one now, but also pane
Yogurt and fruits.
yogurt, nema fruits. So chatora fruit yogurt, nema fruits.
Yes.
Yogurt, nema
Here's the
fruits.
bowl.
So apana panenda kuzonera.
Yeah, you serve yourself.
Alright. Okay. Fruits.
Yeah, you start with the fruits and then you put the yogurt on top. Grab your cutlery that side.
Alright. So no kunga ngubona. Bese zingisa mama.
Cornflakes.
So panapa wona pane ma cornflakes. Pane ma cornflakes. So ini nasa nsuda ma cornflakes. Ndokono kuti zvandowandira already apani. So tichangotora juice. Tichangotora juice. Ronyanyonaka ndereki chimbonzwa kwamunhu.
This one 100% juice.
This one here is 100% apple.
Yeah, this one is apple.
Okay.
Mixed with lychee.
Okay. Apple mixed with lychee.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like. So guys, toda ndimbogara pasi ndimbonatso zvidyira. Unozwa kuti anezita rangu ndikuita chikanganwa kana. Guys, inini I think you all know kuti I'm a traditional man. I'm a traditional man. But ichi hazotondinetsa nini. But nhasi ndinogara ndega. Ndagarawo nevamwe vandasangana nawo panapa. Maybe Chekutanga, thank you so much for agreeing to be on my video. Chekutanga, maybe they might want to know kuti ndakagara naanani nhasi. Maybe starting from here.
My name is Isabella.
Okay, Isabella.
Natasha.
All right.
Nduzi my Sasha.
My Sasha.
My Natasha. My Waskana.
All right.
Belize my Muzukuru.
All right.
It's still the taps.
Taps.
Yeah.
All right. So, Chekutanga, is this your first time here at Zimbabwe Guest Lodge?
Yes.
All right. Perfect. Indikataura kavanonditi I'm a regular here, so ndogona kuva biased.
Okay.
Yes. So ameno ma services kubva pamakasvika panapa. Ameno masvika rini Chekutanga?
Tuesday.
Or Tuesday. All right. Kubva pamakasvika makagamuchirwa sei and ma services awo akamira sei?
Takagamuchirwa zvakanaka Sterling. The staff is very friendly.
All right.
Extra friendly.
Oh.
The place is nice all round. Beautiful place.
Private too.
Private, yeah. Contained. The rooms are very, very clean. Very smart rooms, air conditioned. The pool is very clean. Very nice. It's a nice place. I'll come here every time when I come to Victoria Pool.
Especially when you talk of the pool. You know, I've been to a lot of lodges, to a lot of hotels, and sometimes you might see kuti untanga kutoona kusviba kwenzvimbo when you visit the pool area, especially with the girls. I mean, makapinda here mupool nezu. Seriously?
Yeah.
You couldn't wait. Was one thing I know about ladies. Vakangoona kuti hazvisi kuita havapinde mvura
They were in the pool.
Yeah, and my brother,
Ah, no, I used to have to go to the swim. I will tell them, God, I was like,
dzangofanana
yeah.
handiti
Yeah.
but chii chamakafarirawo muri panapa?
To be honest, the people, volleyball, they're very
The
friendly.
people, yeah.
They're very
Yeah.
friendly. I know my services are not the ball, but the guys are very nice. They
They are
make you
very
feel,
nice.
they make you feel comfortable.
Yeah.
That's good.
Perfect.
The food.
The food.
The food.
Yeah.
The food
Yeah.
is very nice.
All right.
Yes.
So breakfast yenyu yange yakamira sei ndabandatora full English breakfast. Imatorawo chimo.
You can actually pick and choose what you want.
Okay.
So I had sausages, I had eggs, I had beans, I had chicken strips. I don't know what they call them. Chicken strips.
Chicken fries.
Yeah, chicken fries. or
Chicken
something.
fries. I had potatoes, roasted potatoes. Yeah,
So almost
But-
everything.
almost everything. I don't like the bacon, so I didn't eat the bacon.
Oh, you
but
didn't
I
eat
ate
bacon.
everything else.
Okay. Anyone who ate the bacon?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah. How was it?
it was nice.
It was nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, comparing to maybe some other bacon that you ate before.
This one was well cooked.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So guys, I think you can see kuti zviri kuitika. So kana ndichitaura kuti enjoy my meal, musafungoti ndichi-exaggerate, handiti? This exaggerate.
Actually, the place was very full.
Oh, it was
You were
very
a
full.
little bit late here coming here.
Oh, this morning.
Yeah, this morning. All
Yeah.
these chairs were filled.
Yeah.
Well, I
No.
were actually maybe the last ones.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because normally, a lot of people, they've got a lot of activities to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they normally leave early in the morning. That's why ourselves were very late because we just came in around 8:15, of which this place was open by 7:30. Yeah, so guys, ndingokurudzirai kuti all you need to do is to contact them kuitira kuti mobva mauyawo mozoenjoyawo kalife paka. And I know a lot of people you are planning on going to holidays. People like me, normally month of November ndo mwedzi wandoenda kuholiday. So vari kuuyawo muna December, nguva ichiripo unokwanisa kutobhukawo mouyawo panapa paDzimbahwe guest lodge. Thank you so much nekuva nesu nekutaurawo mataura nditi.
Yeah.
Alright, chimwe chandandakangana pamarara zvakamira sei?
Nice.
Nice rooms.
Nice.
I didn't-
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Comfortable beds. Air conditioned. You know this place is very hot.
Yeah.
So air conditioned.
Air
Very
conditioning.
lovely night.
Wonderful. Wonderful. So guys, ndofunga muri kungozvinzwira so achirega ndichizvidyira panapa chikafu changu nenda kushava zvokuita kana makanditarisa kutariswa nemathousands evanhu obviously ndoonekwa nevanhu everyday, but haufi wakazvijaira because there's a new face iri kukuona musiva. But anyway guys, thank you so much. Zimbabwe guest lodge is the only place to be when you come to Victoria Falls. So musakanganwe kuputika from here ndikapedza kudya ndiri kuenda kuchikopokopo helicopters, ndiri kutombonoride on top of waves anditi using chikopokopo. Chikopokopo ndakaishandisa some days ago. I was in Mazvika Day, kune inonzi Mazvika Leisure this previous Saturday. So ndakashandisa futi helicopter yechikopokopo. You can go and check the video ripo pano pa YouTube, on Facebook. So chikopokopo ndichibva ipapo ndichaenda ku the elephant and cheetah experience anditi kwandichange ndichiinteracta nema-elephants neshumba dzedze tuma white lions, those ones dzakabva kuSouth Africa. Ndofunga muchiri remember nhasi after 1 year ndaunoona kuti dzakura sei. Paipai tuchiri tudiki, but apa handisi kuziva, though I'm a bit scared because shumba anditi last time ndakanoona futi machita. So I'm going again. I'm not sure if today or tomorrow ndichanoona machita. So all you need to do is to get in touch navo panhamba dzatakaisa pamascreen papa adidi. Yes, adidi. But it's a beautiful place here in Victoria Falls. At least once unofana umbouya kunoku chazopedzera of course nekumapopo. Ndataurisa hama dzangu, ndataurisa. Thank you so much. From Uncle saying the only Zim uncle, for now it's much love and God bless.